Good day everybody, my name is Cadet Destacamento Nico. What is two-stroke marine engine? A two-stroke engine is a version of a combustion engine that finishes one power cycle into two strokes of the piston through the course of only a single crankshaft revolution, and in contrast to a four-stroke engine that requires four strokes of a piston to complete a power cycle during two crankshaft revolutions.
When it comes to the parts and function of a two-stroke engine, there are two cycles. First stroke, suction and compression. During this cycle, the piston moves from the bottom center to the top center, and all three ports, inlet, transfer, and exhaust are closed. The charge above the piston is compressed, and the spark plug ignites the charge, and that creates a power stroke. That power is transferred with the help of connecting rod to the crankshaft. There is also a partial vacuum created in the crankcase which opens the inlet port and allows the fuel-air mixture inside.
The second stroke, power and exhaust stroke. During the second cycle, the piston moves down from the top center and the inlet port is closed. The downward motion of the piston pushes the fuel-air mixture and the charge from the crankcase comes out through the transfer port.
Because the exhaust port is open, most of the exhaust gas leaves the cylinder. The exhaust gas that remains is pushed through the exhaust port by the pressure of the fuel-air mixture flowing downward. Then, with the help of fresh charge, the exhaust gas is pushed out. The parts of the two-stroke petrol engine work this way, and the parts of two-stroke diesel engine work similarly, except it has a fuel injector instead of a spark plug.
Different part of two-stroke marine engine and how does it work? The two-stroke marine engine is compact and efficient type of internal combustion engine that is widely used in small boats or personal watercraft. In a two-stroke engine, the engine completes one full operating cycle in just two strokes of piston, compared to the four-stroke in a four-stroke engine. The main parts of a two-stroke marine engine include the crankshaft, piston, cylinder, connecting rod, reed valve, exhaust port, and carburetor. The operating principle is simple. The intake stroke draws in a mixture of fuel and air, and the compression stroke compresses and ignites the mixture, and the downward motion of the piston rotate the crankshaft, propelling the boat forward. Two-stroke engines are lighter and complex than four-stroke engine, but produce more pollution and have a shortened lifespan.
Advantages: simple mechanism, easy to start. It gives one power stroke per revolution of the crankshaft, high power to weight ratio, and significant power boost. It has no valves, so complicated valve actuating mechanism not required. It is lightweight, 30% lighter than the four-stroke engine.
It has few moving parts, so compact and simple construction. No oil sump for lubrication. Petrol is used for lubrication, so it can be used in all positions. Low maintenance cost. The required to come over, the friction of suction and exhaust is saved. As there is a power stroke in every revolution, the turning moment is uniform. Light flywheels are required.
Disadvantages: incomplete combustions, carbon deposit on the piston head and exhaust port, unstable idling, scavenging problems, less efficient in terms of fuel economy due to part of the onboard charge is rejected during transfer phase, more wear and fragile than the four-stroke engine, shorter lifespan.
so they are liable to cause high consumption of lubricating oil, worst hydrocarbon emission rate, high polluting, high vibration and noisy operation, less thermal and volumetric efficiency, narrow power band compared to a 4-stroke engine.